I tried Scatter Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Scatter Wallet app, I didn't expect much. It looked basic, maybe even old-fashioned. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Scatter isn't just a wallet. It's a digital identity hub that completely changes how you interact with blockchain apps, especially on EOS and WAX networks. On day one, I set it up and immediately realized it's more than just a crypto storage tool. Scatter lets you manage multiple blockchain accounts under one secure identity. That means no more logging in separately for every dApp, just one click, and you're in. By day 2, I started exploring how it works with EOS-based applications. Scatter acts like a bridge between your wallet and apps, allowing you to sign transactions safely without exposing your private keys. It's basically your blockchain passport, safe, efficient, and convenient. Midweek, I tested its integration with WAX Cloud Wallet and a few NIFT marketplaces. Transactions were fast and smooth. I could buy, sell, and manage assets without worrying about permissions or manual confirmations every time. By day 5, I dove deeper into its encryption. Scatter encrypts everything locally, meaning your keys never leave your device. Most people think browser extensions are risky, but Scatter's design gives you full control over your identity and assets. After 7 days, I understood the shocking truth. Scatter isn't flashy or modern looking, but it's one of the most innovative wallets for those who value decentralized identity and security. It's not trying to compete with big multi-chain wallets. It's built for people who want privacy and power in one tool. If you're part of the EOS or WAX ecosystem, Scatter might be your most underrated ally. It's not just a wallet, it's the digital key to your blockchain identity.